Hi everybody, welcome to the overview of the social service worker programs on the Cornwall and Kingston campuses at St. Lawrence College. For those of you that may not know, Cornwall is located in Eastern Ontario and is situated along the beautiful St. Lawrence River. Kingston is also located in Eastern Ontario and is situated on the beautiful Lake Ontario. We are pleased that you are listening in today to learn about our programs. The two-year Ontario College programs prepare students to work in entry-level positions in a variety of social service settings. The SSW program gives students the opportunities to learn about and to work with many different people from a variety of backgrounds, including, for example, individuals with mental health and addiction issues, seniors that require extra support, children that may need social skill development, and or maybe some support with behavior problems, people that experience domestic violence, adolescents with at-risk circumstances, and children and adults with developmental disabilities, and really the list does go on and on and on. It's quite a versatile field. Both the Cornwall and Kingston programs include 2 field placements in the second year of the program. Cornwall and Kingston are really pleased to offer practical opportunities to help students develop their skills and their experience. Both programs also offer professors with experience in the field. The courses are relevant and they focus on active learning, skill-based learning, hands-on examples, and practical assignments. The good news is on successful completion of the program, students are eligible to join the Ontario College of Social Workers and Social Service Workers to the title Registered Social Service Worker. The admission requirements: you must have an Ontario school diploma or the equivalent, with the majority of courses at the grade level or 12 CUM levels, including your grade 12 English and your grade 11 math. This is a popular program, so we really do encourage you to complete the application through the ontariocolleges.ca as soon as possible. Also, please take note that the applicants will have to complete a vulnerable criminal background check completed by the Canadian Police Information Centre. Yes, certain criminal convictions will be a barrier for field placements and also work in the social service field with the vulnerable populations. The coordinators are willing to answer your questions about this topic, so please reach out to them as needed. The contact information will be presented later on in the slideshow. The SSW program attracts a variety of people with different life circumstances. The profile of a successful student is as follows. We really encourage our students to be physically and emotionally healthy. Students must be able to focus and concentrate. Also, they must have good written communication skills and well-developed people skills. Most importantly, students should have a desire, a goal to be committed to helping people in your community. We are proud to say that the Social Service Worker Program graduates are positive about their experiences with us and often find employment in settings that include, but are not limited to, group homes, schools, senior centers, youth organizations, women's shelters, and so on and so on. There are 2 coordinators, one for each program. Jason coordinates the Kingston campus SSW, and Jody coordinates the SSW program in Cornwall. We both invite you to contact us with your questions and look forward to hearing from you. We are kind, we are friendly, and we do respond to emails. So if you are a little confused and you're not sure who to contact, reach out and we'll make sure that you are connected to the right person. The SSW programs open doors to entry-level social service work, but also it is often used as a pathway to get into other university programs such as social work, criminology, psychology, and others. Please check on the website under the SSW program for some of the formal agreements with other post-secondary institutions. These are called articulation agreements, and we have several. Also, please do not hesitate to reach out to us as needed. We are really looking forward to seeing you at St. Lawrence College. Thanks for listening.